Hi guys, today we are going to see how can we resize this virtual machine window. So first of all, we just close it. We'll power off the machine.
Yes.
Now go to File in the Preference. Then select to Display, and here you will have an option of automatic. You need to change it into hint and type this values and then just click OK. Now go to settings of your virtual machine. In my case it is Ubuntu, and here click on display, and you would here have as a VMS VGA or any other option. You should choose VBox SVGA and click on OK, and then start your virtual machine. As you can see, we still we don't have the actual size which we wanted. Now to resize this window, go to View and click on Visual Screen 1 and select your desired resize option. So I will be selecting 128, or okay, I will go with 1280 into 800, and as you can see it changes. And you can even go to higher option, but if your device support higher option, you can keep it as higher option as 1920 into 1200, or you can reduce to a smaller size. So this is how we solve the problem. Thank you.